So you read through the chapter and try to understand. It was unsolvable because it's so down deep into the sea, and he was on this expedition, finding out zoological, mineralogical, botanical riches, like how to find out valuable positions, what are there inside this. He was trying to find out, but people were trying that all the the ships are being attacked. They're getting this hole, but suddenly it is happening there, and suddenly it's happening there. How big is this huge fish or this mammal? How is it reaching so fast from this place to another place, and it's affecting people? Or is it this floating island which is under the sea, or is it the huge submarine which is creating these effects? It was unknown. So this 20,000 leagues under the sea, what is there in this, underneath the world, in this water, has been still a part of, to be known, an unknown world. So read this chapter, get to know the word meanings. They are all there in the book. Learn them and try. Homework is solve the question answers. Okay, so that will be that for this one, and we'll go to the next chapter. Swarms of jellyfish. Have you ever seen a jellyfish? If you have been to the seaside, and then only you will come to know what's a jellyfish. It scratches, it itches. If it bites you, if it does not bite, if it touches you, you get that sting and it starts itching. You get a rash. And with the salt water, it starts burning. It's like jelly. You can see it lying on the water, it goes around, you got strings, as you see it in the picture. Life originated in the sea and therefore offers more plant and animal diversity in the sea than on land. Jellyfish are free-swimming marine animals and form a part of the colorful diversity found in the seas and oceans. In this collection, read about the species of jellyfish whose sudden appearance in the waters of west coast of Britain posed a grave threat to the swimmers. It stings you when you swim, it touches you, and so much of colors and beautiful, they look very nice. You can take it in your hand, nothing will happen if you keep it here. But as it touches your skin, you're gone. You can pick it up with your hand, but you can't keep it here or here. It should not touch your skin. Swimmers warned over the rise of a 6-foot jellyfish with 200 feet tentacles. It takes its name for the king of the jungle and grows up to 6 feet wide. Can you imagine the size of that jellyfish? Swarms of the poisonous lion's mane jellyfish are posing a threat to swimmers of Britain's beaches. Mane is lion's hair. The tentacles are like that. They touch you, they are going to start itching. The jellyfish are out in greater force than ever, according to the Marine Conservation Society. There have been reports of swimmers being stung off Anglesey and the other parts of the west coast, where swarms containing dozens of the lion's men have appeared. Sting you, it will touch you, it's going to sting as if something has bitten you and you have that rash. If you're swimming and you're bit, and then you won't be able to swim properly, it's going to be a problem. The species, the largest found in British waters, gets its name from the mass of the vivid yellow-orange tentacles that hang down from its body and is commonly found along the west coast, the beaches of the southwest and along the south coast. Its tentacles can reach a length of up to 200 feet, taller than Nelson's column. And the sting they deliver is a very painful and can require hospital treatment. Big jellyfishes can bite you badly, can sting you badly. You can drown while swimming. And here they have given the comparison of its tentacles, the length of this Trafalgar Square in central London that was built to commemorate Admiral Horatio Nelson, who died in the Battle of Trafalgar. This column is 169 feet and 3 inches tall, bigger than that. Several bathers suffered several severe stings while swimming among the dense swarms of the jellyfish in the Mersey estuary last year. Holidaymakers are also being warned to watch out for swarms of other species of jellyfish. In the past few weeks, vast numbers of the smaller and less dangerous moon jellyfish have been reported off the coast of North Devon, West Wales and the northwest coast of Scotland. The beautiful blue and compass jellyfish have appeared in smaller numbers off Devon and Cornwall, while thousands of massive barrel jellyfish have been seen in the Irish Sea and stranded on Welsh beaches. Peter Richardson, Marine Conservation Society Species Policy Officer, said, "There is a potential for danger if you are not swimming and you find yourself surrounded by these things. The tentacles of some species can inflict very painful stings to the skin, especially those of the lion's mane jellyfish, which can be a dangerous surprise. Jellyfish will not purposely attack people. Most of the species in UK waters are either harmless or inflict mild stings. But we suggest people never touch or knowingly swim with jellyfish." You will read this properly. And what you are going to do is, you try to find out what is all about this jellyfish on Google and try to write it down. Make a report of it. What is the report? You have to give me a report of it, and after that we'll do that story or the poem. What is the poem which we have after this is The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. It's all about the sea, the seagull. We'll come to know about it. Water, water everywhere, nor a drop, any drop to drink occurs. Water is the most essential element for life to exist. But sometimes the same water, though found in abundance, cannot be used to sustain life. It can turn destructive and wipe out lives. In this poem, The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, Samuel Taylor Coleridge narrates the experience of a mariner sailor who had returned from a long voyage over tumultuous waters that left all his inmates dead. The mariner stops a man who is on his way to attend a wedding and narrates the unbelievable events that occurred during this voyage. It is in this poem the famous quote, "Water, water everywhere, nor any drop to drink occurs." The first two parts of his poem are given here. So we'll do this. It's going to be nice. Okay. So see you, take care, be good, and do these 2 chapters which I told you for homework. Study, work, and things will be done. Bye bye, take care, God bless. Love your parents, respect them. Bye bye.